If you are still typing frantic notes during every client call, you are playing the game the hard way. The most effective entrepreneurs operate differently. They hand the busy work over to an AI meeting co-pilot, allowing them to step back and actually direct the workflow. Today, we're building exactly that. A system that reads meeting transcripts, identifies follow-up requests, and automatically books the next meeting. You'll need 4 tools: Fathom to record, N8N as the hub, OpenAI to analyze, and Google Calendar to schedule. Setting up this architecture takes a few minutes, but once it is live, you have a permanent, scalable asset that reclaims hours of your management time every single week. Step 1 is securing your data feed. Open your Fathom preferences and turn on the auto record toggle. This ensures every Zoom or Google Meet session is logged automatically. The moment you end that live call, Fathom generates a full transcript and a clean summary of your conversation. Now we need a place to catch that output. We will use N8N as the central nervous system to route this data. Open a workflow in N8N and add your first node. Search for the Fathom trigger and drop it onto the canvas. Before building the rest, you must hit test. Pulling in sample transcript data proves the connection works. If you skip this, you are building in the dark. A verified data feed is the absolute requirement for any reliable automation sequence. With the data secured, we must process it. An AI agent node will act as the cognitive center of this operation. Click and drag the output from your Fathom trigger directly into the input of the AI agent node. Next, we give the agent its instructions. Type, review the transcript to identify if a follow-up meeting is requested. If yes, extract the proposed date, time, and the attendees' email addresses. You will authenticate this node using your OpenAI API key. Treat this key like a bank password and never share it publicly. By giving it precise rules, you have taken a passive stream of text and turned it into an active decision maker capable of understanding human intent. Our agent can read, but it cannot act yet. To fix that, we introduce agentic tools, plugins that let the AI reach outside of its own node to affect other software. Search for the Google Calendar tool and dock it straight into your AI agent. You will need to authorize N8N to communicate with Google servers. Click through the standard OAuth prompts to connect your account. Warning, pay close attention here. You must explicitly check the box that grants write access to create events, or the workflow will fail. Finally, map the original calendar invite data from your trigger into the agent's context. This ensures that when a speaker says, "Let's meet with Sarah," the agent maps that name to her actual email address. Granting this write access officially bridges the gap between passive AI analysis and active autonomous delegation. The build is complete. Trigger the final end-to-end test to verify the system works. In the background, the AI evaluates the transcript, confirms the scheduling intent, and automatically executes the calendar tool. Just like that, the new meeting block appears on your schedule, perfectly populated with the correct attendees and time. True passive income and business scale come from replacing busy work with intelligent systems. If you are ready to build more leverage-driven workflows, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.